A circle's radius controls both its circumference and its area.
Every circle has a constant relationship between its circumference and diameter. The ratio of circumference to diameter is pi, approximately 3.14. Circumference is the distance around a circle. It equals pi times the diameter, or 2 pi times the radius. If the radius is 5 units, the circumference is 10 pi units, approximately 31.4 units. Area is the amount of space inside the circle. It equals pi times the radius squared. With radius 5, the area is 25 pi square units, approximately 78.5 square units. Notice the units. Circumference is a length, so it uses ordinary units. Area covers a region, so it uses square units. Also notice that doubling the radius doubles the circumference, but multiplies the area by 4 because the radius is squared. Recap: circumference equals pi d, or 2 pi r. Area equals pi r squared. Use the radius or diameter carefully and attach the correct units.
Hazel squares the radius for area and keeps square units.